All right, well, I'm getting close here. This one side is just about done. I sprayed some degreaser on this to make it shiny so I could see how straight it was. This is gonna be hard to tell on this round fender, but all these surfaces are flat, so that's just degreaser. But you can see how flat that door is. And you can see the fender. I know that there's a wave right here that I have to fix. But I'm getting so close now. This thing's gonna be pretty perfect when it's done. Pretty perfect. That's considering how I started with this thing. It was nothing but a beat up pile of metal. So the last 2 solid days I spent just blocking out this one side. You know, I still have all this to block out and all the front to block out. This I'm still working on. This fender was really bad. I found a big dent right here that I tapped out. I just put a little bit of filler on there. I'm gonna flatten that out here maybe today, I don't know. Then I still have to do the door. I have to like block down the door. I still have to do this side. This has to be welded in. That's an antenna hole. Tapes there to remind me to cover it with metal, so I gotta do that and do the body work. That's not a big deal. But I mean, this is a lot of shit. This is a lot of work. I exhaust myself doing this shit. But this is what you gotta do to live, I guess, these days. It's gonna be cool when it's done. It's gonna be really cool. The guy came and checked it out yesterday. He was stoked. All his friends has, you know, kind of a version of this car. And he was saying that the gaps on this was better than any of theirs. So I'm talking like the door gaps, how even they are, you know, compared to his friends' cars that were done, or even the factory, they weren't done like that, not clean like that. Oh, these are tight. I'm tired. Anyway, there it is.